The controversial Zimbabwean businessman and close presidential ally KUTYA Tagwirei has been awarded another honorary doctorate, this time from Babcock University in Lagos, Nigeria, raising fresh scrutiny over the legitimacy and frequency of such titles being bestowed on politically connected individuals. Sabida mashoko kuda panguva inachinzi Tagwirei awarded another dubious doctorate amid Charamba's scathing remarks on fake titles and over subscriber olaika until on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mnamogbda nyikwamchinzi. Tagwirei received an honorary doctorate in business and strategic management from Babcock University, a private Christian institution owned by the Seventh-day Adventist Church. The award was presented in recognition of his distinguished contributions to business and strategic leadership. The latest conferment comes just days after presidential spokesperson George Charamba, under his popular pseudonym Chawanda on X, formerly Twitter, took aim at the practice of casually assigning the doctor title to individuals without corresponding academic qualifications. Charamba wrote, "One little bad habit we must drop immediately. Kungomuka tatumidza munhu kuti doctor, as if izita remadonhorirwa, or as if by invisible counselors and deans of some invisible universities. Zvekunzi chiremba zvinoda kurava mapepa neizvi ndizvo mviromviro dzefraud idzodzo, pamwe nekuumba tumwari tomunamwe. Stop it." Although Charamba did not mention Tagwirei by name, his remarks have widely been interpreted as a thinly veiled rebuke of the businessman, who has increasingly been referred to as Dr. Tagwirei in ruling party and state media circles. The Nigerian University joins a list of institutions that have conferred honorary degrees on the businessman, despite the absence of any known end doctoral qualification. The growing use of honorary titles by politically influential figures is a steady debate in Zimbabwe, particularly at a time when the country grapples with governance, accountability, and transparency issues. The timing of the honorary degree and the public reprimand from Charamba has further highlighted internal tensions and growing unease around the elevation of elite figures through symbolic and often controversial recognitions. Tuze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Bvira kumesection yedu mafunguro enyu, subscribe, like, on the bell icon.